Ready? Feel me. One.
I'm in Tyler, Texas for Miracle Treat Day, East Texas. I'm about to surprise the Tyler Junior College football team. We're gonna have a little dance party.
Now, let me get some action from the back section. Straight up B-boy style.
I'm coming in! Kicking up scissors on my town 'cause I'm in demand.
Interlocking, I'm uptown rocking. I'm at you shocking.
I like the way you are all business. You're gonna be the owner of stuff right here. What's your name, owner of stuff?
Calvin Henry.
This man is about business. He will own stuff.
Flame on, I'm going like a bag of candy corn. Came out rocking since I was born. Guaranteed to rock, jock, trigger. No shit like word commit. Oh, with that coke and that low shit. The funky music make it go insane.
Making it big.